first type of present tense. Alright, now understand simple present tense क्या है, किस सेगमेंट को हम प्रेजेंट के किस स्पेशल पार्ट को सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. ऑलराइट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस shows your routine, the very grounded and easy example or definition of this tense that you do regularly, जो आप regular करते हो, which is universal, which is your habit, which is your routine, or you repeat. That is simple present tense in English grammar. Going ahead, in a English sentence, 3 segments are there. एक sentence में 3 पार्ट होते हैं. Part 1 subject, first part, verb, second part, and object, third part. First part subject होता है, second होता है verb, and verb के बाद remaining जितनी भी चीजें होती है, that may include adverb, adjective, pronoun or whatever else, everything comes under the objective. These two are important one earlier. So subject is plural also and singular also. Simple present tense का एक रूल है, singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Now this is important to understand कि singular subject, singular verb क्या है and plural subject and plural verb क्या है exactly. Going ahead, plural subject, I have made a segment. Plural subject, I and you are exceptions. Plural subject के साथ जो verb use होता है, जो form of verb use होता है, same form of verb या same verb use होता है I and you के साथ भी. These both are एक्सेप्शन, बिकॉज इन दोनों के साथ भी हम वही वर्ब यूज करते हैं या वही फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते हैं जो कि हम बाकी के प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज करते हैं. सो आई, वी, यू और दे, फ्यू प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट फॉर्मूला. वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में आप सब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऐड करते हो. वर्ब इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 3 फॉर्म्स. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज यूज्ड विद सब्जेक्ट इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. डू रिमेंबर इट. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस रिमेनिंग इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वी इज प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. प्ले, first form of verb. Hockey, every day. Remaining part is object. We play hockey every day. This sentence is showing your routine of playing hockey. हम hockey रोज खेलते हैं. Alright? So simple present tense यहाँ पर आपको क्या बता रहा है कि हमारी रोज हॉकी खेलने की हैबिट को शो कर रहा है. You, I said, it is singular, but exception होता है. You drive the car. Drive is first form of verb. You all, again plural subject because there are more than one person. You all eat breakfast together. They, plural subject, clean the whole home. Alright? So when there is plural subject, the verb is also plural. Means verb अपने उसी फॉर्म में है जिस तरीके से वो बोला जाए. There is nothing added. उसमें कुछ भी add या माइनस नहीं हुआ है. They clean the whole home. And this is what we are learning. I forgot to mention positive sentence. Here we are using the positive sentences of simple present tense. Nothing interrogative, nothing negative, nothing like that. We are learning here only positive sentences. So they clean the whole home. Alright, plural subject, plural verb. Coming to the singular subject, which is 1 in number. When subject is single. So what the construction becomes? He, she, it. It is used for non-living single things. So here I have mentioned it and Ravi, which is the name of a person. These are few subjects in singular number. So let's see the frame formula. Subject, verb, first form of verb. But when subject is singular in simple present tense, what we do, हम simple present tense में verb के साथ add करते हैं s और es in simple present tense when it is positive sentence. So when it is he speak is the first form of verb, but हमने add किया इसमें s. He speaks, remaining part is object, जो भी remaining part होता है verb के बाद का. He speaks very loudly. So here with singular subject, when we use first form of the verb, तो हम first form of the verb में क्या add करते हैं? s और es add करते हैं. This is the fixed rule. Otherwise, grammatically this sentence becomes wrong if you write he speak very loudly. Wrong. But अगर यहाँ पर plural subject होता या I and you होता, so I speak very loudly, you speak very loudly, they speak very loudly. But अगर singular है subject, so he speaks very loudly or she speaks very loudly.